What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create a Memefi wallet. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to open up your Memefi application, and in the Memefi application go to the bottom right side where the wallet section is at. So once you are in the wallet section, you will see an create wallet option if you haven't created one yet. So once you will create on click on the create wallet option, you will be taken to this page. Here you will see a secret phrases. I'm not gonna show you, for like it's a confidential thing and my information can be revealed through these phrases. So but you will see these private phrases. So once you will see these private phrases, all you have to do is to copy these phrases into your clipboard and save them somewhere safe, so you can get your wallet back in case of you forget the password or something. So this is how it goes, and after click on create the wallet, your wallet simply be created. So I hope you find this video helpful.